This is question 4 from exercise 2.3 in Text and Test 4 New Edition. We have to solve the following pairs of simultaneous equations where one is linear and one is quadratic. So in our question here, our equation 1, we have y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5, and in our equation 2, we have x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Our quadratic equation is our equation 1 and our linear equation is our equation 2. What we're going to do is we're going to take our linear equation, our equation 2, and we're going to rewrite it so that one variable is on its own to one side of the equals and everything else is over to the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to say that x is equal to 1 minus y. We just moved our plus y and our minus 1 across the equals, and that's what we got. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the value for x that we just found out, which is 1 minus y, and we're going to put it back into our equation 1 in place of x. So now what we're going to have in our equation 1 is y is equal to 1 minus y all squared minus 6 times 1 minus y plus 5, like that. And now we're just going to multiply all this out. So we still have our y over here, and then we square that out. It's going to be 1 minus 2y plus y squared, and that's going to be minus 6 plus 6y plus 5. And then we're going to get that all to the same side of the equals, so we're going to bring our y over, and we're going to have y squared minus 2y plus 6y minus y plus 1 minus 6 plus 5, and that's all equal to 0. So the y squared was just here, the minus 2y was just there, our 6y came from over there, our minus y came from the other side of the equals and came across, our 1 was at the start of our equation, and then we had our minus 6 and our plus 5, and that's what we've got. And rather than write the 0 equals over to the left hand side, I just wrote equals 0 on the right hand side. So that's all that's happened here. When we tidy this up, we're going to get y squared, and then minus 2 plus 6 is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3, so we're going to get plus 3y. And then over here we've got 1 minus 6 plus 5, which is just going to give us 0. So we get y squared minus 3y is equal to 0. Now what we have to do is we have to factorize that out. So we're going to get y times y plus 3 is equal to 0, which means that y is going to be equal to 0, or y is going to be equal to minus 3. So those are our two values for y. Now we need to find our corresponding values for x. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our modified equation 2, where we had x on its own, and we're going to sub in the two different values of y. So when y equals 0, x is going to be equal to 1 minus 0. So x is equal to 1, which means we get the solution 1, 0, like that. And when y is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 1 minus 3. So x is equal to 1 plus 3. So x is equal to 4, which means we get the solution 4 minus 3, like that. And that is that.